Hi, I'm Senate President Karen Spilka, and I'm here for the weekly update for the week of June 22nd, 2020. I hope all of the fathers out there had a terrific Father's Day. It certainly was a glorious weekend. So the Senate plans to vote on a very important bill this Thursday called the Patients First Act. Some of the major pieces of it will ensure patients have permanent, continued access to expansive telehealth services. Telehealth care has played such a large role during COVID-19, and the Senate wants to ensure that that continues even past our emergency. It also establishes an end to surprise billing for out-of-network services. It expands scope of practice for many folks and nurses, dental therapists, and others. And we also included a review and analyzing the health system impacts of COVID-19 to see what we can learn to improve our health system as we move forward. I am also very happy to say that the House and Senate Ways and Means Committees have reached on an agreement on a supplemental budget to reimburse the state of COVID-19 costs from the federal government. Areas included in this are really important to our residents and include food insecurity, healthcare, PPEs, childcare, small business assistance, housing, and homelessness. Lincoln is here with me, as you can see, and he's been my assistant, and we've really spent a lot of time these last few months. He's been a helper, but I think he wants to get off right now. We also formed a conference committee for our vote by mail, our very robust vote by mail, and I am really hoping that we get an agreement soon and get it to the governor's desk this week. Concerning racial justice, the Senate's working group on racial justice is working very hard. It's looking at areas such as police officer standards and training and decertification, accountability, data collection, banning excessive use of force, and so many other areas that I am looking forward to passing that and taking that up within the coming weeks. And lastly, I do just want to mention to folks that I had a very good discussion with the Secretary of Transportation, Secretary Pollack, and looking at the Austin I-90 multimodal project. I emphasized the concerns of the Metro West residents and the needs of the Metro West residents, and that mitigation efforts, this is going to be a multi-year project, 6 to 10 years possibly, cutting down on lanes on the turnpike and other things that would greatly increase congestion, even worse than it was before. So I've been urging strong mitigation research and efforts that are needed and must be done if this project is going forward. And I've also emphasized that in terms of a financing plan, the administration must come up with a plan that does not increase tolls, period. Not for this project or ever again. Unless we put tolls, look at tolls elsewhere. But tolls cannot be raised for this project. We will continue to very closely monitor this project as it moves forward. I want to wish everybody a very healthy and happy week going forward. Please, as I say at the end of every weekly message, remember to social distance, wear your mask, wash your hands, use sanitizer, use soap. Please stay well and hope you and your family continue to be in good health. Thank you very much. This is Karen Spilka, Massachusetts Senate President. Have a good week.